Hey guys, Pete here with Grateful Adventures, and today I'm going to put on these tarps to keep our chickens warm and dry during a snowstorm. I let the chickens out. I'm going to put on these tarps. Don't want to scare them. We'll put links down in the description about these custom tarps. So what I'm doing here, I'm putting the eye through these hooks, and these hooks we have a little spring load to kind of keep the tarp on without the wind blowing them off. And I will put those down in the link as well. Pretty good. Okay, let's go and do the back. And here we go. Go let the chickens out. And pull the hatch door. Lock it up here in the carabiner. Alright guys, we're gonna check in on the chicken coop here. Snow really hasn't accumulated too much, but it is blowing from the north, which is coming from this end. And yeah, I mean, it's holding up pretty well. Looks like it's kind of moved in a little bit, but it's okay. Yeah, we'll check in with the girls here and kind of see how it looks like inside. Yeah, as you see, a little bit of snow in here, but for the most part, it's pretty dry and cozy. And I always like to give the chickens a little something fresh, especially on days like today. There you go. Chip, chip. Anyway, we'll check in a little bit later and see how the snow is doing and how everything else is going. Well, good morning, guys. It's a chilly 6-degree morning, and yeah, we didn't get as much snow as they anticipated, but nevertheless, we'll take off the tarps now before we let the chickens out, just so it doesn't scare them. So yeah, let's go ahead and do that. So there we go. Mostly dry coop. Let the girls out. There you go.